Dental Association, respected lecturer, esteemed colleague in the dental profession, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Costa Mindoro Dental Chapter, the Philippine Dental Association, it is with great honor and sincere appreciation that I welcome you all to this scientific seminar. I believe this seminar stands as a meaningful testament to our shared pursuit of professional excellence and lifelong learning. As members of the dental profession, we carry the responsibility not only to provide quality oral health care, but to remain updated with the ever-evolving advancement in dental science, technology, and evidence-based practice. Today's gathering offers us a valuable platform to engage with experts, explore emerging trends, and reflect on the latest research and clinical innovations. In doing so, we reaffirm our commitment to excellence, integrity, and service in the practice of dentistry. We are deeply grateful for our distinguished resource lecturer for their generosity in sharing their knowledge and expertise, and to each one of you for your active participation in this continuing professional development activity. Your presence indeed underscores our collective dedication to elevating dental care and upholding standards of our noble profession. Let us take this opportunity not only to learn, but to reconnect, to collaborate, and strengthen the bonds that unite us one dental chapter. Once again, welcome to this scientific seminar. It be a productive, engaging, as well as enriching experience for all. Thank you, and mabuhay ang Philippine Dental Association.
And now for the introduction of our guest speaker, may we call on Dr. Mary Jan Denise D. Gold.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that we introduce our distinguished speaker, a dedicated dental educator and practitioner. He is a faculty member of Centro Escolar University Makati Dentistry Department since 2010 and served as the Division Chair of Clinical Dentistry from 2021 to 2023. He is a proud graduate of CEU Manila with a Master of Dental Education and has completed his academic requirement for a PhD in Educational Management at De La Salle Araneta University. He balances academic and clinical excellence with active practice at ACE Medical Center, Valenzuela, and operates dental clinics in Valenzuela City and Capas, Carlac. He has undergone extensive postgraduate training in oral surgery, aesthetic dentistry, implantology, and maxillofacial trauma, both locally and internationally. A respected leader in the dental community, he is the past batch president of the PBA Valenzuela City Chapter Batch Manila and the Filipino-Chinese Dental Foundation Batch Cavite, both of which were recognized as outstanding during his term as leadership. A fellow of the International College of Dentists, International College of Continuing Dental Education, and Philippine College of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons. He currently serves as board trustee of the Philippine Dental Association and holds several key national committee positions. An award-winning researcher, he has presented his work in international conferences in Japan, and published in global peer-reviewed journals. Please join me in welcoming an inspiring educator, leader, and advocate of dental excellence, Dr. Ryan G. Yoko.
Thank you very much po for that introduction. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Ay, ka naman doon. Eh? Ang dami ko doon. Mars ka nga? Wala nga ako regalo.
Okay, so again, good morning po sa inyo lahat. So my task for today to discuss about assessment and management of complication in the oral surgery.